In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mark a task as complete in ClickUp. 3 different ways so you always know which method fits your current workflow best. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management tools available right now, and knowing how to properly close out your tasks is fundamental to keeping your workspace clean, your progress visible, and your team in sync. If this sounds useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get right into it. Before we jump into the methods, it's worth taking a moment to understand why marking a task complete matters more than it might seem at first. In ClickUp, completed tasks feed directly into your progress bars, your reporting dashboards, and your team's overall workload visibility. If you leave tasks sitting in an in-progress state even after the work is genuinely done, your productivity reports become unreliable and your lists get cluttered fast. Getting into the habit of properly closing tasks is one of those small disciplines that separates a chaotic, hard-to-trust workspace from one that actually works for you. Let's start with the quickest method of all, the checkbox in List View. If you have your workspace open in List View, which is the default for most ClickUp spaces, you don't even need to open a task to mark it complete. Simply hover your mouse over the task name in your list. As soon as you do, a small circle will appear on the left side of the task name. Click that circle, and the task is instantly marked complete. ClickUp will strike through the task name and, depending on your settings, automatically move it out of the active list so it stops competing for your attention. This method is ideal when you're doing a quick end-of-day sweep and closing out multiple tasks one after another. It's genuinely the fastest way to work through a long list without breaking your rhythm. If you manage a lot of personal tasks or run solo projects, this is probably going to become your go-to. The second method gives you a bit more control and is arguably the most versatile of the 3 because it works from any view, list, board, or calendar, and also from directly inside the task itself. This is the status method, and it's worth understanding well. To use it, either open the task by clicking on its name or simply find it in your current active view. You'll see a colored button near the top of the task or inline in your list showing the current status, something like to do or in progress. Click that status button. A small drop-down menu will appear listing all the status available in that particular space. Look for complete or done and click it. One important thing to keep in mind here, ClickUp spaces can have fully customized status pipelines, so if you don't immediately see complete or done, your team may have named that final status something like closed, finished, or delivered. Whatever label your workspace uses, it will be the last status in the list and is usually displayed in green or a noticeably darker color to signal finality. This method is especially useful when you want to track a task's full journey through your workflow, or when you're part of a team that has built a structured multi-stage pipeline where completing something means officially signing off on it. The third method is perhaps the most visually satisfying, drag and drop in board view. If your team works in a Kanban-style board view, where tasks are displayed as cards arranged into vertical columns by status, this method feels completely natural once you get the hang of it. Find the task card you want to complete in its current status column. Click and hold the card, drag it smoothly across the board to the completed or done column, and release. ClickUp will drop it into place and update the status instantly. Board view is particularly popular with teams running sprints, content pipelines, or client project workflows, because the visual layout makes it very easy to see at a glance exactly where everything stands across the whole project. Dragging cards into the completed column also gives you that immediate tactile sense of progress that a checkbox doesn't quite deliver in the same way. And if you're managing a team, this view makes bottlenecks obvious. If tasks are piling up in one column while another sits empty, you know precisely where attention needs to go. A quick tip worth knowing regardless of which method you use: if you ever accidentally mark a task complete, you can reopen it just as easily. Using either the status dropdown or the checkbox, you can move a task back to in progress or whatever active status is most appropriate. Nothing is permanent, so feel free to experiment until all 3 methods feel second nature. So there you have it. You now know 3 distinct ways to mark a task as complete in ClickUp. The fast checkbox in List View, the flexible status dropdown that works from anywhere in your workspace, and the satisfying drag and drop technique in Board View. Each one fits a slightly different style of working, and once all three are in your toolkit, you'll move through your tasks with a lot more confidence and speed. Keeping completed work properly closed is ultimately what transforms ClickUp from a simple to-do list into a reliable, trustworthy picture of everything your team is building and accomplishing. If you found this tutorial useful, it would mean a great deal if you liked the video and dropped a comment below, whether that's a question, something specific you found helpful, or a suggestion for what you'd like to see covered next. I read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what comes next. Save this video so you can revisit any of these steps whenever you need a quick refresher, and I'll see you in the next one.